Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, well, I was originally going to do what I eat in a day vlog, but I think we'll just kind of see where the day takes us. I will be showing you guys some recipes and hopefully some other things that I've been doing in my life. Maybe they will be helpful to you. So basically it's just going to be another vlog, okay? But we're gonna be starting with a really amazing recipe. It's one of my favorite breakfasts in the entire world. Basically it's Korean steamed eggs in like a nice little broth with rice. If you have never tried it before, I would highly recommend it. I started doing a lot of Korean cooking when I took a Korean language class about 3 years ago in Los Angeles, but I always find myself very inspired by Korean food vloggers, especially on YouTube. There are so many great ones. I will leave some of my favorites in the description box below. If you have any that you like, also feel free to leave them in the comment section. This recipe is going to take a little bit of time because of the rice, but it's very simple. You will need a special kind of bowl to make this. This is a Blvd. It's basically just a Korean pot, and it has these slots on the bottom so you can cook directly with them on the stove. This is a larger one. Since I'm making breakfast for myself and for Nick, I'm going to be using this large one, okay? You can find these usually at most Korean kitchen stores or even a lot of hardware stores that sell like Korean appliances and things like that. If you live in LA, I will also leave a couple recommendations on where to find those here in the description box, but yeah, they're really easy to find. It's kind of like a staple in Korean cooking. So I'm gonna get started, and I probably won't talk too much throughout the process just so I can kind of concentrate and hopefully it will turn out delicious. I went through a phase where I seriously made this for every single meal for like an entire week. It just is that comforting and satisfying. And I'm really excited to bring it back for this vlog. I do modify it slightly so that it doesn't contain fish, so hopefully that is not disrespectful to Korean culture, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, it is finished. We have our steamed eggs, giranjim. We have some rice, and I also made some green tea with brown rice. I wanted to make barley tea, but we ran out, so this will be fine. I want to show you guys what the first bite looks like. You really want to just get in there, get some rice like that. Perfect looking bite. So good. My tea.
Thanks.
Yay.
About 25 inches.
My YouTube channel is basically turning into a series of videos where Nick hangs things on the wall for me that he purchased for me. Cool.
So try to kind of push it. There you go.
That looks good.
Did it say slide?
No, you just put it on like that. Sweet.
This is like not really going on.
Let me see. There we go.
Got it?
Just needed a special touch.
Simple.
All right, it is officially 500 hours later, but the TV is set up. Basically, we got rid of the TV in our bedroom, or the previous TV in our bedroom, maybe 3 years ago, because, I don't know, we just didn't really watch TV in bed that often. But to be honest, I really love watching TV before bed or watching movies in bed sometimes, and Nick is really not a fan of it. He also cannot fall asleep with the TV on. Recently, I have just felt this big desire to like enjoy movies and TV in bed, especially because Nick works really long shifts sometimes, so I'm kind of just at the house by myself. So Nick actually bought me this TV. It was super, super nice after like a couple of difficult weeks spending a lot of time by myself. The TV is called the Frame by Samsung, and the cool thing is that you can kind of set it to like a piece of art while you're not watching TV, and it has like an actual frame around it. I'm gonna turn this light off so there's not a glare. But yeah, there's like a ton of different options as far as what you can set it to, and I'm kind of really excited. Occasionally I watch Netflix in bed, like on my laptop, but it's gonna be, I think, really nice to just have a proper TV in here. The last time I bought a TV was in like 2007. TV aside, our room is officially trashed, so that's a priority, to clean the room. I feel like I can't fully enjoy the TV until our room is clean. We gotta make it happen. I don't know why I love the snap transition so much, but I gotta do it to you guys. All right, I am back. I have showered. I have put on an outfit for the night. This is my new thing. and I am about to make dinner. It's getting pretty late. Nick and I have not eaten lunch because it took so long to set up that TV, so we're both really hungry, and today's video is sponsored by Green Chef. They are a USDA certified organic company offering dishes for a variety of different lifestyles, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. I should also mention that somehow my entire Green Chef box got shipped to my parents all the way over on the East Coast by accident last week when I was supposed to film this video. And needless to say, they were very stoked. They made all of the recipes, and my mom gave me a step-by-step rundown every day of what they were having for dinner. So they were reshipped to my proper address. They arrived a couple of days ago on Wednesday. And this will be the second meal that I'm preparing. This is my second time working with Green Chef, and as I have previously mentioned, I've always kind of felt apprehensive about meal subscription services because of the waste they tend to create. But right now I really do feel that Green Chef is the most environmentally friendly option. They are not 100% plastic free, but they do offset 100% of the plastic packaging and carbon emissions that are generated from each box. So I think that's a pretty good start. Obviously nothing is perfect right now, and we are all kind of working to figure out a way to, like, I don't know, save the world slowly, hopefully in time. So here is the recipe that I've selected for dinner. It is the peanut udon noodle bowls, and this is the one that I was most excited about. It just looked really, really good. It's also the one with the shortest cook time. So we're going to put it to the test and see if we can get it done in this 25-minute time frame. All of the recipes from Green Chef do come with one of these step-by-step instruction cards, so you can easily follow along even if you aren't great with directions. All of the ingredients are also pre-measured and mostly pre-prepped. So it does save a lot of time in the kitchen. I've already opened this bag just to make sure everything was in there. If you guys would like to try Green Chef, you can go to greenchef.us/itsblitz90 and use my code itsblitz90 for $90 off plus free shipping on your first box. Check it out. All right, so I'm setting my alarm for 25 minutes to see if we can get it done in time. Nick, are you ready?
Yep.
What's our favorite cooking show on TV right now?
Tell me.
What is it?
You don't know.
Yes, I do.
What is it then?
Why are you saying that?
I don't think you know.
It starts with a C and ends with D. Here we go. Okay, we are just about done. Unfortunately, we are 2.5 minutes over time, but I was filming and cooking, and I feel like that is more time consuming.
Is that ASMR?
The finished product. very hungry since we haven't really eaten. Is it good?
That's actually really good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for cooking the noodles or adding them to the pot. Sauce is really good.
I'm too hungry for chopsticks.
You guys, I'm so excited about my TV, even though Nick says it just looks like a TV and not a picture, but I'm excited. Also, shout out Horse Girls, I'm officially one of you. Hello again from our bed. Nick and I are gearing up to watch Catfish. I also have some solid snacks over here. Got some strawberries, chocolate, and I don't know what this is, some kind of like health shot. I really love like little health shots, I don't know why. It was so bad. Ginger, turmeric, black pepper. Whose idea was that? What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
You're laughing at me.
I'm not.
So what is it? Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Maybe it gave you some inspiration to cook a nice meal for yourself or buy a new TV. I will see you guys very soon in the near future, and I will talk to you then. Hey, Ruby. Annalie.